Welcome back to my workshop. Well, I'm not in the workshop today, I'm over at Thundersley Common and I've come over to see this, which is a massive great big long line of stones. Now, people have been coming over here and painting stones, and this is all to do with COVID-19. So we've got this little thing here. Okay, so what we're going to do, have a quick look at these, and then maybe we might make one. Hello, little friend. So, the first part of this strange little project, I've got myself a stone. And I obviously want to write something on it, or draw something on it, or paint something on it, and then we want to put it over the common just to show our appreciation. So what I want to do is I want to put the Frank's Little Workshop logo on this stone, but obviously this is a bit too bobbly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to flatten this enough so I can paint my logo on the stone. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a go with this. I should imagine it's going to get a bit dusty, but let's see how we get on. I'll put my extractor on, put a mask on, put some goggles on, and then I'll start making a mess. I've changed over to one of these discs. It might be better. Right, that's that a bit cleaner. A bit messy. Oh, that's better. A bit dusty. Right, let's clean this up. Right, so that went pretty well. I've got a fairly smooth surface now. Finished it off with a flappy paddle. I've just given it a quick wash off with my my new garden hose. I don't know whether you've seen the video, but you know, that worked. So what I want to do now is draw a circle on here that's about the same size as what my sticker would be. All I've got is I've found a little plastic lid which will give me a roughly size of my circle. But what I want to do is, because I'm going to paint it, I don't want paint going everywhere, so I'm going to first cover it in a bit of masking tape, draw my circle, cut that out, and then do my base white colour. So let's get on with that. Right, just changed the blade in my scalpel because the one that was in it looked more like a spoon. There's nothing more dangerous than having a blunt blade in the scalpel. So, a new one. Let's do some cutting. circle-ish. Right, so what I'm going to use is this stuff, which I think I got from the pound shop. It's white acrylic, white titanium. I'm just going to use that as the background for this bit here. Okay, so I'm going to hit that with white and then leave it to dry, probably overnight. Right, let's get on with that. Right, probably need a couple of coats of that, so let's go and have a cup of tea. Right, I've left this to dry overnight. The white is all nice and dry now. What I've done is I've quickly drawn on my little logo here. Now all I've got to do is colour it in. And what I'm going to use is these acrylic paint markers. Okay, and what they are is basically a pen. It's full of acrylic paint. And what you do is you basically open it, you push it a couple of times on a piece of paper or something, and it basically feeds the paint into the tip. And then you can basically paint, or you draw with the paint. Okay, so I'm going to now fill in the colours and see how we get on with that. Right, so painting my little logo on there now, which is like that, which is quite good. Just got to take off the masking tape now and then touch up the edges and then we'll do some writing. Yeah, that'll do. Didn't have the right colour for his face, but it's close enough. Right, just going to quickly give it a spray over with some clear lacquer to hopefully make it last longer. Just got some stuff I bought from Aldi's. So hopefully this won't react with the paint. Right, that'll do. Let's go and put this over the common, shall we? Right, this is the one that Mrs. Little Workshop has done. Nice little smelly face. It's excellent. Right, so got my little pebble here. Found a little space here somewhere. Here it is. So let's put this here. Just to say thank you to all the key workers. Right, let's get back to the workshop. So this is now over on Thundersley Common. If you want to go and see it, feel free. It's open to everyone. And it's just our way of saying thank you very much to all the key workers that have helped us out during this COVID-19 malarkey. All right, so it's our way of showing some appreciation. If you've got to this video by being over the common and seeing it, just leave a comment below just to let me know that people have actually seen it, and tell me what you think about all the key workers. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. See? Oh, that's better. It's close enough.